Namaste to all the judges. Hope you all are doing well in this pandemic. We are Team Prince Shekhar and we present you Rang Lekh. The problem of allowing kids to color and write properly using their hand-eye coordination led us to think for a proper solution. This brings us to Rang Lekh. Rang Lekh would be such a tool that would help young kids to learn faster and efficiently using their hand-eye coordination and muscle memory. It consists of two parts. Rang in Hindi stands for color, denoting the coloring aspect of the problem. The coloring books currently present in the market are having basic shapes in them which are supposed to be filled by kids using crayons. But the kid who has just started picking up crayon would find it very difficult to color within the periphery of the shapes. Our solution to this problem would be to create a color book in which the area within the shapes will be of more friction and the rest of the paper to be comparatively of less friction. This would help the child to color within the periphery of the shape. Over the time, in later pages, we would decrease the friction levels present inside the shape step by step till there is no friction difference. So, this would increase the hand-eye coordination as well as muscle memory of the kid. Coming on to the next part of the toy, that is Lekh, that translates to write in Hindi, helps the kid to write the alphabets and Barakhadi properly. How they would do it is by using a pen and the board made by us. The tip of the pen is metallic. The board would have engravings of alphabets. So when the pen is brought close to the alphabet, the pen's tip is attracted to the electromagnets placed in the shape of alphabets, and this in turn helps the child to trace out alphabets properly, thus making the child learn them well. Currently, teachers and parents teach their kids to write by holding their kids' hands and moving them accordingly. But in our toy, the electromagnetic attraction would guide the kid accordingly, eliminating the need of an extra person, so the kid can practice on their own. There would be a knob present on the board through which they can adjust the magnetic field, 5 being the strongest and 0 being the lowest. So when the kid is just starting out, the knob would be set at 5, and according to the pace of the kid's developing muscle memory, they could reduce the magnetic field accordingly till the kid has developed enough muscle memory and could write on their own. Thank you.